A Malaysian official said several projects under the Belt and Road Initiative have led to greater development and economic progress in Malaysia's Pahang. One of the key BRI projects, Malaysia-China Kuantan Industrial Park, launched in 2013, is a demonstration base for cross-border industrial capacity cooperation.
We can see that the existence of MCKIP offers job opportunity for professional and skilled workforce in Pahang. This is a great opportunity, especially for young people. They now can work locally instead of having to move to another state in order to find industry that are suitable for them.
Another project, the East Coast Rail Link, Malaysia's mega rail project being built by China Communications Construction Company, is expected to be completed in 2026. The rail link runs from Malaysia's largest transport hub, Port Kelang, and travels across the peninsula to Kelantan State in northeastern Malaysia.
Upon completion, this new ECRL will increase connectivity and attract more investors to widen their business venture in Pahang. The alignment for this railway will connect Kuantan Port and Port Kelang in Selangor, which will boost cargo transportation in both ports.